You feel it, the racing heart, the tight chest, the brain that won't shut off. You lie awake at 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling, replaying a conversation from 3 days ago. You dread opening your phone in the morning. You feel it before a meeting, before a date, before nothing at all. We call it anxiety. We spend billions of dollars every single year trying to make it go away. Pills, therapy, meditation apps, breathing exercises. But what if we've got it all wrong? What if this feeling you hate isn't a flaw, but your oldest, most powerful inheritance? For 99.9% of human history, the world was actively trying to kill you. Not metaphorically, literally, every single day. You walked out of your shelter and something wanted to eat you. A bad decision didn't mean a lost promotion. It meant your children starved. Calm, relaxed people got eaten. The survivors, your ancestors, were the ones whose brains were wired to see danger everywhere. To never fully relax. To always ask, what could go wrong? That feeling isn't a disorder. It's your brain's ancient smoke detector. And it had one job, keep you alive. Picture this. Your ancestor wakes up before dawn. Before he even opens his eyes, his brain is already scanning. Is the fire still going? Are there unusual sounds? Did something move in the dark? He doesn't choose to do this. His brain does it automatically. That hypervigilance kept him alive long enough to have children. Those children inherited his anxious brain. Generation after generation, the most alert, most worried, most anxious humans survived. And here you are, the living result of thousands of years of successful worrying. It worked in 3 ways. 1, the threat scanner. The hypervigilant part of your brain that noticed the predator everyone else missed. The rustle in the grass. The stranger at the edge of camp. The food that smelled slightly off. 2, the worst-case simulator. It constantly ran what-if scenarios, forcing your ancestors to plan for famine and drought before they happened. The anxious tribe stored food. The relaxed tribe starved. 3, the motivation engine. That feeling of dread was the fuel that pushed them to build a better shelter, store more food, and never let their guard down. Anxiety wasn't weakness. It was strategy. This system is the reason you are here today. So why does this life-saving tool now feel like a curse? Because your ancient smoke detector can't tell the difference between a saber-toothed tiger and an angry email from your boss. Your brain doesn't know you're safe. It only knows it detected a threat, and it reacts the same way it always has. Problem 1. The threats are invisible. Your ancestors faced physical dangers they could fight or flee. We face abstract threats, deadlines, debt, social media status. Someone left you on read. Your brain registers that as danger. The stress response is identical, but there's nowhere to run. Problem 2. The threats never end. A predator attack was over in minutes. Our modern threats are 24/7. The work email arrives at midnight. The news never stops. The danger never leaves, so our smoke detector never, ever shuts off. Your body was never designed to sustain this. It's exhausting because it's supposed to be temporary. It never is anymore. Problem 3. We have no release valve. Your ancestor's body flooded with adrenaline, and then he ran. He fought. He climbed a tree. He used that energy. We get the exact same chemical surge, but we sit still. We marinate in stress hormones with nowhere to put them. Your body is ready for a sprint that never happens. You don't fix a superpower. You learn to wield it. Stop fighting your anxiety and start using it. Step 1. Name the tiger. When anxiety hits, don't just push it away. Ask yourself, what is the actual threat? Be brutally specific. Is it the deadline? The conversation you're avoiding? The bill you haven't opened? Naming the threat transforms it from a monster in the dark into a problem on a list. And problems on lists get solved. Step 2. Give your body an ending. Your brain needs a signal that the danger is past. After a stressful day, you must move. Go for a run. Do 10 push-ups. Dance in your kitchen. It doesn't matter what. Burn off the stress chemicals so your nervous system can finally believe the threat is over. This is not optional. This is biology. Step 3. Show your brain there's no tiger. Your threat scanner is being overstimulated by your phone. Every notification is a false alarm. Every scroll is your brain scanning for danger that isn't there. Put it down. Go for a walk without headphones. Sit outside. Stare at something that isn't a screen. Teach your ancient brain that right now, in this moment, it is safe. It can stand down. That feeling in your chest isn't a sign that you're broken. It's the echo of every ancestor who survived the unsurvivable. It's the memory of the system that kept your bloodline alive through ice ages, famines, predators, and war. Your anxiety isn't your enemy. It never was. It's your inheritance. You just forgot how to use it.